Let's get creative with the Mini Maneuver Assistant, part of the optional Parking Assistant Professional package. Your Mini can learn and repeat up to 10 maneuvers like a pro. You're basically training your Mini to remember your moves. When you reach your destination, press the parking button on the center console, then tap Record New Path on the display. Time to teach your Mini. Drive slowly and let the system work its magic. Cameras and sensors are recording every twist, turn, and stop, even if you're driving backwards. Finish your maneuver? Tap Save the Record and give it a name. Type in something unique or pick from handy suggestions like office or home. Next time you pull up to the same spot, your Mini's got your back. The system will suggest replaying the saved maneuver. No need to break a sweat. Hit Start and watch your Mini take over. It'll cruise slowly, executing the maneuver with precision. The system is clever. It allows for slight deviations to dodge obstacles while staying on track. If there's no room to maneuver, don't worry. Your Mini will automatically stop for safety and proceed with the maneuver automatically once the path is free of obstacles. That's just the beginning. Keep exploring our how-to series to unlock the full potential of your Mini.